Before the glass and aluminum, it starts here. Rare earth pulled from Mongolian dust. Bauxite becomes aluminum. 3 tons of red dirts for every ton of silver metal. Lithium sleeps in salt water, then wakes up inside your phone. Glass wants sand, fine as sugar, white as bone. Tantalum hides in mud, stores the charge that lights your screen. Tin and tungsten, solder and vibration, invisibly inside every board. Copper floats to the top here, then runs as a wire through your charging cord. Each bag of copper weighs a ton, and 1 million iPhones wait inside it. From mine to truck, raw earth becomes cargo. "12 hours of highway, one step closer to the factory gate." Every gram logged, every impurity noted. China's precision begins here. This warehouse feeds 5,000 iPhones an hour. Heat changes everything. Ore becomes ingot. Earth becomes metal. Copper anodes, pure and dense, ready for the wire that charges every iPhone. This is the fortress where your iPhone takes shape. No cameras inside without permission.
Please remove footwear for scanning. Proceed to the air shower.
Before you touch a single part, you leave the outside world behind. No cameras, no metal, no memories leaving this floor. Class 100 clean room. 1,000 particles per cubic foot max. A human hair is a wrecking ball. 60,000 workers. 3 shifts. One goal, an iPhone every few seconds.
One bad screw can shut down a line for an hour. He watches everything.
Check that chassis.
Bare boards arrive like blank pages. What comes next is pure automation. Before a single chip is placed, every iPhone board breathes dry air and takes a bath. Ultrasonic waves scour flux and dust. An iPhone's motherboard starts sterile. Bone dry in 4 seconds. Moisture is the enemy of every iPhone circuit.
"20 megapixels of scrutiny. One speck of dust and the iPhone board is rejected."
Sorting happens faster than a blink. Only perfect iPhone boards move forward. Static can kill an iPhone before it breathes. 0 volts is our only safe zone. Cleaning is done. Now the iPhone's brain gets built. Chip by chip, pin by pin. Solder paste is the glue. 1 micron too thin, the iPhone chip never connects. "800 components per iPhone board, placed in 30 seconds. No human hand touches them." 260 degrees. Nitrogen atmosphere. Solder flows like water, then freezes solid. AOI sees what human eyes can't. One bad joint, out it goes. One human, one microscope, one chance to save an iPhone from scrap. X-ray sees through silicon. A bubble inside a solder ball means death for an iPhone processor. Core processing complete. Now the iPhone board becomes a phone. Underfill locks the processor in place. Without it, a dropped iPhone dies. Moisture, dust, sweat, conformal coating says no to all of them. One panel becomes many iPhones. The router never misses a cut. Daughter boards add ears, touch, and charging. The bond must survive 5,000 bends. Every button, every port, soldered by laser, tested by spring-loaded pins. The iPhone finds its skeleton. Every screw is torqued to the gram. Battery goes in. No going back. Next stop, the iPhone screen. The screen meets the body. 1/1000th of a millimeter gap, or it's scrap. 8 screws, 1 second, 0 mistakes. No human could keep pace. IP68 waterproofing starts here, a robot's steady hand and a bead of silicone. Glass on the back, sapphire over the lens. Every iPhone becomes a camera first. Does it buzz? Does it chirp? The machine feels what human fingers can't. Every iPhone camera sees the same colors, because the factory teaches it to. Okay. Software breathes life into circuits. A blank iPhone becomes a computer in 90 seconds. A single burr can scratch a cable. Every iPhone edge is shaved to glass smooth. Mirror polish isn't for vanity, it's for signal. Polished aluminum passes RF cleaner. Every iPhone carries its identity in laser-etched stone. Counterfeits can't copy this depth. Red isn't just red, it's a precise wavelength, or the iPhone goes back. A loose SIM tray lets in water. This test saves iPhones from the washing machine. Your voice, your music, they sound right, because an anechoic chamber made them so. Protection for the journey. The user will peel this off, but for now, it ships perfect. Machines measure microns. Human hands feel for truth. From freezing to fever, if an iPhone survives this, it survives your pocket. One and a half meters, concrete, 6 sides. Only the strong survive. Bumpy roads, shaky desks. The iPhone shakes for an hour, so you never notice. Salt air corrodes. This test is a week at the beach in 2 hours. Dust finds every gap, unless the gap doesn't exist. Waterproof isn't a promise. It's a test with no bubbles. Every button, every switch, touched by human fingers one last time before the box. Cable, docks, stickers, everything a new iPhone owner expects. Nothing more, nothing less. Shrink wrap seals the experience. The serial number is already awake in California. 5 iPhones per brown box, 40 boxes per pallet, 1,000 pallets per shift. A pallet of iPhones leaves this floor every 90 seconds. Destination? Everywhere. Cold, dark, secure, iPhones wait here for the truck that never sleeps. And this is how modern factories produce iPhone from start to finish. 70 scenes, 1 phone, a billion more to go.